Hi guys, it's going to solve an equation by reducing it to a quadratic equation. So that basically we're going to use powers of 3 and then we're going to substitute u equals 3 to the power of x, and then we're going to end up with a quadratic equation in u. And then we're going to solve it, and then we'll work backwards and substitute back to x. Enjoy.
Hi guys, we're going to be solving an equation by reduction to a quadratic. So let's write that down. Solve equation by reducing to a quadratic. So our example is 9 to the x plus 2 minus 6 times 3 to the x plus 1 plus 1 equals 0. The idea is you can see here that 9 is 3 squared, so there's powers of 2 involved. So if you let u equal to 3 to the power of x, then you just convert each of those terms. So 3 to the x plus 1 using index laws is 3 to the 1 times 3 to the x, so therefore that's equal to 3u. 9 to the x plus 2 is 9 squared times 3 squared to the power of x, so that is 81, and that becomes u squared, because 3 to the 2x is equal to 3 to the x squared, index laws. Then you plug it all in, 81 u squared minus 6 times 3 is 18, u plus 1 equals 0. Solve that by any means, so let's just use the quadratic formula. Minus b makes it minus 18, so that's plus 18, plus or minus the square root b squared, so that's 18 squared, minus 4 times 81 times 1 all over 2 times 81. Now it just so happens that 18 is 2 times 9, so that means these two cancel out to 0. So this just equals 1 over 9. So therefore translate back to x, you've got 3 to the x equals 3 to the minus 2. 1 over 9 is 1 over 3 squared, which is 3 to the minus 2. So therefore that implies x equals minus 2. There you have it. Thanks very much, guys. That was enjoyable. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.